Step-by-step guide on how to tie this amazing hair wrap style. My measurement is 50-50 and my gele length is 65 inches length, and then I have 3-line joining of ashoke. Watch this video to the end so that you can be able to see how I was able to achieve this gorgeous style. It is beginners friendly. That is why I make it so easy for you to understand. First of all, divide your gele into 2 equal parts the way you see me do, and then make a twist in the front as if you are forming a V-shape style. Okay, make a V-shape style from here and then turn your hand properly. Now look at what I'm doing. After I shade it, I see that both of the two hands are equal in number. Okay, that is the 50-50. So here I will drag, then I'm going to be making use of my office pin right now to pin. You'll be needing office pin and also a rubber band to achieve this style. Otherwise, you can make use of your thread and needle and sew it. Okay, so look at what I'm doing here. What I did to the other side is the same thing I am doing to this other hand. I'm going to be using my office pin now to secure it down. Look at it, as simple as that. Now I'm going to start styling. Now look at the first part, that is our 50-50 that I divided. I'm going to hold the two hands together as you are watching me and make this split. Place it just where you want it to be, and then go and bring your rubber band. Now I'm going to be using this rubber band to fold this one side together. Okay, just to secure the place so that I can be able to do the style I want to achieve. All right, so I'm going to be using office pin again just to secure this place. I felt this place is not stable, as if it's not balanced very well, so I'm using office pin now to secure it. So I'll be now turning my hand. Now just look at what I'll be doing here. Okay, I'm trying to adjust my camera so that you are able to see what I'm doing correctly. So here, look at it. Just from the upper part, start twisting your hand downward. Just look at it. Just do what you see me do. If you are trying this style as a beginner, then go ahead and start pinning everything down. Okay, look at it. Use your office pin now to start securing the whole places down. With your office pin, you can be able to do all of this thing. It's very, very easy. Just use your office pin to secure everywhere down, just the way you are watching me do. Make sure it is not touching your skull, okay? It's not touching your skin as you are pinning. So what I'm doing here now is to secure my design using my office pin. All I'm doing is to make sure that I secure the places I need to secure with my office pin so that it will be very, very firm. So I left the other hand. I go ahead to style this second hand. Just what I did with the other hand is the same thing I'm doing here. So I'll be using again a rubber band to fold this place down. Look at it. Use your rubber band to fold that place down while you are pressing it so hard on the down so that it doesn't pull out. Okay, so look at it. I'm just trying to adjust, see, okay, they're equal. So look at what I'm doing. The same way I carry the other hand is the same thing I'm doing here. Just make sure that your pinnacle, the edges of the gele is showing, is forming this leaf kind of style. So here I'll be using office pin to pin it at my back, at the back of the other side. Okay, that is what I'm doing, just to make sure everything is nice and clean. Just take your time and do what you're supposed to do. Okay, so here I'm using my office pin to bring two of them together, just to compress it so that it's going to lap equally. So again, I look at my back and I saw that that place is not properly secured. I use office pin. Just do it gradually as you are going. If it's touching your skull, just leave it and then do it correctly. So now look at it. This other hand, I still repeated the way I carried my hand with the other two styles. Is the same thing I'm doing here. Okay, so I'll be using my office pin again to secure this place. So please help me share this video, repost this post for me so that others can see. Okay, so the remaining one at the back, what I did was, I don't want it to now look too big, too much styles. What I did was I silent it at the back and I use office pin to suppress it. But what I'm doing here right now is to use my office pin to pin it down. So when I was looking at it in my camera, I saw that the three styles are very perfect. They are very okay. So that is why I silent the other one at the back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in my next class. Please help me share this video if you enjoyed this tutorial. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.